I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Why are you excited, SpongeBob? Did you forget? Yellow Dog is staying with us forever. He used to never lived here. The last time we only seen him was yesterday and the day before, and the other Saturday and last Saturday. Forgot it. Well, he's coming, and he's gonna stay here forever. Yay! I miss Yellow Doggy. Me too. Can't wait. I think he's about to come. Ding dong! I heard the doorbell. Come on, let's go. Yellow Dog, it's you. Hi, guys. Hey. I'm Yellow Dog. It's me, yay, Yellow Doggy. Hey guys, I heard there's a new friend. Whoa, he looks like me, but he has a different bow tie and different skin, and he has longer ears than me. Hey, little dog. My friends have been telling you about it. My friends been telling me about you. That's what I've been saying. Dog. It's your dog news, ain't you? Yeah, I am. Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell my other friends. What? Yeah. Call your parents. Tell your parents to come over here, Rabbit. Okay. My parents can come. Whoa, here's one of my dog friends on my street. Whoa, so nice to see you. It's an honor to meet you. We are like the brothers. Because we are brothers. We are? Yeah, it's a dog, A monkey. Oh. Mushrooms here. Mushroom. Oh, dang, I forgot about it. Wow. I can't believe you're all coming. We of course will come. Love you. Yay. So guys, I just want to say that Yellow Dog's coming by.